Salman Pasha. I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Here we are going to discuss about the topic of batteries. What is batteries? A battery is a device converts the chemical energy into content within the active material directly into the electric energy by means electrochemical oxidation, reduction, reduxo reaction. This is the definition of the battery where the battery is directly electrical energy, means it is an electrochemical oxidation reduction. Basic components of the battery. The battery is made up of anode and cathode which are surrounded by their electrodes and the anodes and cathodes are separated by the separator. The outer surface of the battery is covered by the plastic layer and the inner moderate battery's venter and also provided to the escape accumulated gases during the process. The battery consists of four major components. You can see the diagram, charging electrons and discharging. Here this is the one plate of anode, another plate is cathode, which is anode is Li plus and lithium CO2. This is the electrode and this is the separator. The center one is the separator. So first up we have to going to discuss about the anode, cathode and electrode and separator. Let me discuss one by one. So we'll start from anode. Anode is a battery anode negative ED. It releases the electrons from the external circuit undergoing the oxidation reaction in chargeable battery. It acts as a positive terminal and the cathode during the charging. It gives the electrons to the external circuit. I hope you understand. This is the equation for the MsMn plus equation aqua and plus Ne. Zinc, lithium, nickel, cadmium, and lead extensive used to anode, and this is the lithium tops the it becomes the leads ready to give the electron reduction of the potential high minus 3.05 voltage. Cathode. Cathode in the battery cathode is a positive. It acts as an electron from the external circuit. There are the reduction acts in the species occurs in the inchargeable battery. It acts as a negative terminal anode during the charging. The reaction is Mn plus HQ in N in Ms. The graphite, rod, zinc, lead, nickel, cadmium are used to cathode something. Both anode and cathode made up of the same material led to the causes of the lead battery. So next we are going to discuss about the electrode. What is the main thing of the electrode? It provides the medium transfer ion from the inside the cell between the anode and cathode. A solution of acid, alkyl, or salt having the high ionic conductivity is commonly used an electrode. Separator. It is used to separate the anode and cathode compartment in the battery, prevent the internal short accurating to maintain the of the separator to transport from the anode and cathode vice versa. It is highly resistant toward the electrode. Example, cellulose, vinyl polymer, polyethylene membrane, etc. In the addition of the cathode and anode current collector and terminal and an anode contain the making of complete battery. Classification of the battery. Batteries are classified into three types. Primary battery. It means another name of the primary battery is a non-rechargeable battery. Secondary battery, rechargeable battery, and the reverse battery. Primary battery. The batteries which produce the electric energy into expense of the free energy active material to produce the energy only as a long active material or present, or a battery which cannot be recharged or distracted when the battery has delivered all the electric energy. And primary. ZNO example ZNO MnO2 battery Li, MnO2 and battery etc. These are battery reactions spontaneous, irreversible. These are the batteries with a higher capacity and initial voltage and rechargeable batteries. Secondary battery. The battery which produces the electrical energy and the expensive free energy active material. These active materials are capable for the storing the respective electrodes or the recharge prepared for the discharge once again. There are the rechargeable batteries and can use again and again, or a battery which are discharged can charge again by passing the electric current through the opposite direction that is discharging is known as the secondary battery. Example lead battery and nickel cadmium battery etc. battery reaction. Let me give the another example for this. Example for power bank. When you charge the power bank, the battery will be stored the high and they will use again we will recharge the battery. So next we are going to discuss about the reverse battery. These are the battery which we stored in active state are made up of the actin activated just before the indeed the action involving the adding the electrode because the component of the electrolyte and isolated stored separately when the battery is required. Example MgH2O activated battery a ZnAg20 battery Li V2 205 battery etc. Li ion. The battery is in which lithium ions are used to insert the lithium metal and the movement of the lithium ion the electrode takes place from the electrode to the another electrode such as the battery are called the lithium ion batteries. Example lithium polymer battery and Li cobalt oxide battery. Thank you guys for the watching this video and I hope you will like this video and please don't forget to share and subscribe and like and the next time I'll bring with more content and thank you once again.